for Schneider, on the top of our mission, which is to lead digital solutions for sustainability, we want our own business to be very sustainable. So in that research for more sustainability, of course, there is efficiency and there is circularity. So what we've been doing over the past years is to revisit completely our business. First, in making sure that we look for circularity in the materials we use, and particularly recyclable plastics that we are doubling in proportion over the next years. Looking for our products to be more circular also in the way we design them and in the way we service them, and looking with our customers to make a value proposition, which is a third thing, which is more circular. And finally, we have a big supply chain, 200 factories, 100 logistics centers, and re-engineering our whole supply chain to be completely circular, and making sure that we recover the products at the end and recycle them. But today, on 90% of our plants are no waste to landfill. One of the technologies which have been fundamental to our trip to circularity is everything around digital. Making sure that we are able to trace the materials entering our products, our systems, our value proposition, and making sure that we accompany those materials down to their end of life. So that's been one. The second one has been partnership with our suppliers on recyclable materials, on technologies, on making sure that we would rethink everything so that it would be circular. Those have been the two major technological shifts that we have operated in our journey to circularity. So embedding circularity at Schneider has been a true journey, and it addresses first the issues of culture, rethink the way we do things. It started by making sure that we, in the design of everything we do, we apply what we call eco-design. That goes in making environmental profiles of all of our products, making sure down to the sure things that we have instruction for the end of life of all of our products on the logistics scheme, so that we can recycle all the products and systems that we deliver to our customers. The second part has been to make sure that we embed circularity as one of the top 5 transformation projects of the company. And that addresses all the part of R&D, but that addresses also the way we deal with our customers and the way we engage with our customers. This has driven us to develop a service business, which is rather large now, 12% of our business, and that was not existing some years ago. It has led us also to work with financial institutions to have an end-to-end value prop to our customers, whereby not only we design, but we also operate their installations till the end of life of those installations. One example of that is what we've done in the US with Carlyle, addressing, for instance, JFK as a large project, as a retrofit to make it sustainable, and pair it with more efficiency on renewable sources. And it's been in making sure that we train people to circularity. We've trained more than 4,000 people in the company as circularity experts. And of course, a big impact has been on our whole supply chain, rethinking the way we produce products and distribute products. So it's been a complete journey, but at the end of the day, it's a 4x win. It's of course good for the planet. We should never forget that only 9% of the world economy is circular today, so there is a white space to be more circular. It's good for our customers because addressing the different manner, the relationship with them and extending the life of existing products is actually saving them a lot of money. But for us also it's good in the relationship with our customer because it's now a life cycle experience with the customer, and therefore we stay in tune and in touch with them. And frankly, it's been good also for all the associates of Schneider because we feel proud that we participate in saving more of the resources on the energy of around us. So it's been quadruple win in this journey.